Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atutaka, and if it's the very first time here, you're watching Atutaka Solutions, where we share everything with love regardless. Please like this video and subscribe. As we continue, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Quotex.com to Binance, and I'm going to withdraw USDT. Okay, so stay tuned to the end of this video and let me know in your in the comments your opinions and your questions. Okay, so you click on withdraw and this is the amount available. Good thing with Quotex, you can decide to withdraw everything. They will not limit you that withdraw maybe 90% or 85% or like nothing. No, you can withdraw everything from your account, okay, at any time, for as long as you verified your documents and everything is set. Okay, so you want to put in the amount you want to withdraw, and I'm going to withdraw 120. This video is for illustration purposes only and education purposes. I do not give you financial advice. Please seek your financial advice before making any decisions. Okay, so remember that you deposited with I deposited with the USDT and you withdraw with USDT. All right, guys. In short, the method you use to deposit is the method you use to withdraw. Keep it in mind, okay? Don't be frustrated. You used Bitcoin, I want to do with USDT, to not work out. Okay, the last payment the last deposit you made, the profit you made with that, you withdraw with the same payment method. Okay, so I'm just increasing the light of my screen, and yes, so you go to your Binance.com, you sign in, and then you want to get your receive address. Okay, you click on deposit because you want Quotex to deposit your profit on your Binance, if it makes sense, right? So if you were going to deposit on Binance on Quotex, we'd click on withdraw in Binance because we are withdrawing our funds to Quotex. Now we want to deposit our funds in our Binance account, right? So we click on deposit, so we get that deposit address. All right, so again, you want to be sure of the network, that is the TRC20, and you don't want to use a wrong network because your funds will not be realized in your account. Okay, take note of that. So you copy the address real quick, pretty fast. It doesn't take a whole while. Usually it takes 48 hours, but it can be less than even 20 hours. Okay. So you come to pass. Okay, here in pass option, you paste your address in your Binance account. All right, I'm going to leave the links down below for Binance and Quotex. If you want to register, sign up, and yeah, start trading with Quotex. Okay, so here you want to I turned on two-step verification. So you go to your emails, get the verification code. You want to make sure you're signed in with the email that you used on your Binance or Quotex to get the verification code, okay, for you to deposit, to withdraw. So confirm, you click on the you enter the code and click on confirm. All right, so your request is successfully sent, and you know, it's so quick. Okay, so you want to remove the profit, then you continue trading. All right. Yes, because you might be tempted to trade all your profit. All right, guys, so every profit I make, I withdraw. All right, yeah, it's safe for me that way. And again, you don't want to trade the amount that you cannot lose. Trade the amount that you can afford to lose. In case you lose it, you're good. All right, guys, so don't compare yourself with anyone else. Do your thing. Learn in your demo account. There's 10,000. You can always refresh and, you know, reload like that. So as you can see, the money has been deducted and you're waiting for less than even 48 hours. And as you can see here, the withdrawal is currently being processed on the other side of the financial operator. Please wait, the funds should be received within 48 hours. Okay, but trust me, guys, the funds came before the 48 hours. I think they were 19 hours, 18 hours. Yeah, to be precise. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe, and please let me know in the comment section what method do you use for withdrawing or depositing. Do you use crypto? Do you use your bank account? Let's share and learn together, because we believe sharing is caring. Alright guys, please turn on the bell notification for Atutaka solution so you will know whenever a new video comes up. God bless you and take care.